Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out WhatsApp from other devices on Android. In order to log out WhatsApp from other devices on Android, all you have to do is, first of all, you have to open the WhatsApp application. And let's just say your WhatsApp account is also logged in on some other devices. Where do you want to log out? In order to log out from those, all you have to do is just make sure to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and you will find these options. You have to tap on this link devices. Just tap on it. And when you tap on link devices, you will be able to see a list of devices that are linked, which could be a window, a browser, or another mobile phone. Now when you select this device and then tap on these three dots, you can see this option remove device. Just tap on this remove device, tap on remove, and that's how you can log out WhatsApp from other devices. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.